Good morning. Let's check your weather on the One's forecast for this Sunday, October the 19th. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. We'll start things off with a look at temperatures. It's been very, very warm so far this October. You see a single below average day, at least in Bowling Green, on the 9th, and one normal day, 76. And you see all of the above average days, 16 of them. Now, we are going to add to the below average total here over the next 3 to 5 days or so because we've got another pretty strong push of fall air. You see many days between today and Thursday below average, with the average right at 70 here. So again, you look at that calendar, it can be a little deceiving because even if we were a degree or two above, it counts as above average, but it's not like we were dealing with temperatures in the 90s or anything like that. So don't be too scared off by the outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, which is highlighting pretty good confidence in above average temperatures last week of October here, getting pretty close to Halloween. Again, if we're a degree or two above average, that still technically counts, but we're not looking at any prolonged, oppressive heat waves or anything like that anytime soon. We'll see some morning showers and then temperatures pretty stagnant or falling just a little bit throughout the day with breezy conditions for many of us. As we see what's left of that front continuing to march its way off toward the east, could be some rumbles of thunder mixed in there as well, but really not concerned about severe weather. Might see some sunshine very late in the day. We'll see how quickly clouds clear out, but the winds will still remain on the brisk side. And the clear skies tonight will allow temperatures to fall pretty dramatically. Waking up Monday morning, lower 40s, maybe even a few upper 30s as you're heading back to work and school Monday morning. And not a big warm-up. Notice by the lunch hour Monday, despite all of the sunshine, only in the lower 60s. So definitely probably a light jacket on Monday. Pretty raw day today with temperatures stuck in the lower 60s, upper 50s. Very breezy conditions as well. The wind-driven showers, especially this morning. You notice all of these numbers reached this morning. Temperatures really not going anywhere, probably falling a little bit throughout the day. Upper 30s, lower 40s tonight. But the extended forecast is relatively quiet. Could see a little bit of additional cloud cover on Tuesday as a weak front crosses. We should stay dry. And then temperatures remain below average for a good chunk of the week.